Are you new to Roobet and looking to get started? When you sign up, make sure to use the bonus code LEPAJEE to unlock exclusive bonuses that will give you a great start. You can enter the code manually during registration, but if your account was created under someone else's code, don't worry. You can simply reach out to live support and they'll help you apply the LEPAJEE bonus code to your account. Make sure to use code LEPAJEE during registration and get all the bonuses you deserve.
Come on. Sugar Rush. Do it for the boys. Do it for the boys. Do it for the Retriever. I love it. I love it. Let's go now. Bro. Hey, look at that. We got Retrigger. And still there is no multis on board. What the fuck, bro? Come on. Okay. Okay. Long. Broski. Purples. Okay. Okay. Hey, 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 Sugar Rush. Hey, 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 connect here. Just connect them all. Nice lollies. Hey, this good. That's it. Okay, we'll love it, bro. What a nice hit, broskies. What a nice hit. That's a dub. That's a dub. That's a dub. Bro. Sugar Rush on fire. Imagine big connection right now, bro. Just imagine. Last spin. Do it. More than enough. Don't wanna be greedy.